Welcome back to Homemaking with Mema. If you are new here, my name is Wendy, and today's video is going to be a little bit of some organization, and I'm going to bring you along with me. So on the bed here, I've got spread out some of the items that I had received for Christmas. I got a stainless steel mixing bowl set with a whole bunch of little added items here, and I also got some nice new glass containers. They have a plastic lid, that's okay though. Glass containers, and I'll just bring you in a little bit closer so you can get a better look at it. So the containers, I believe there's 10 of them, 5 on each side. I had just pulled a few out, and I'm pretty sure they're microwavable. The glass is microwavable, so this will work out great for lunches and also storing everything. It's just really good. I know I have a bad habit of storing things in plastic, and I reuse the plastic containers that I have. You all see that. I'll probably never break that habit, but we do not microwave in them. And so hence I like the glass. So I got 10 glass storage containers for lunches or extra meals. And then over here, we got a stainless steel bowl set. It has the grippy on the bottom. It has the lids to match. And then in it also were these grating lids. I'm assuming you put them on top of something and then you can grate with them. And it came with all kinds of little accessories. Some measuring cups, which I'm always in need of measuring cups because I have one whole set that is Dollar Tree. And we all know Dollar Tree stuff, the labels wash off immensely quick. Some more measuring spoons, can never have enough of them. An egg separator, some spatulas, a baster brush. This works great for getting like mayonnaise and stuff or peanut butter out of the containers when it's down low and your hands don't get all icky. Nice little tongs and a nice little tiny whisk, which I love tiny whisks. All right, so I'm going to show you where I need to make room for these because I don't have room in my cupboards in my kitchen. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to make room for them. And one other thing I forgot to show you that I got, if you've been with me, I had a chopper, and the chopper that I had for vegetables and that was, I broke it. But it also was from the thrift store. But it was my pure ignorance that ended up breaking it, so unfortunately. But I had received this really nice chopper. It's all in pieces because I washed it all up and let it dry really good. And so yes, now I have a brand new chopper, and I will really, really try to take better care of this one. Not be so rough on it. All right, so I got to make room for that in my closet as well. So if you've been with me for any amount of time, I have a closet in my hallway. And I store, instead of a coat closet, we turned it into storage. And it's what I store a lot of my kitchen things in. So this is where I need to make room for all that I have over there. And I have faith in myself. I know I can do it. It's just making decisions of what to get rid of that I have not used. Or getting more things like, you know, this little rack here to utilize space, if you understand what I'm talking about. So that is going to be my project. Before I do any of that and put it away, this all has to be washed. So I am going to get busy and get all this washed up. Okay, so I've got it all washed. There's things underneath there too. Everything's just piled. But some of this is regular dishes too. So all of it's washed. Now we just have to wait for it to dry and I will get it put away. So everything's all washed up. The bowls, their lids, these storage containers. I think I'm going to store them with the lids on. So that's what I'm doing now is I'm getting all the lids on. Because otherwise the lids are going to I'll make a mess. All right, let me finish this and I'll bring you right back. All right, so here I am where I'm going to store them. I had one of the lids was cracked completely here, so I had to throw that lid away. And what I have done is I just, instead of saving the glass part, I put it in the thrift store container because otherwise I'm going to have it floating around here and I don't want that. Here's where I have the bowls. Here are their lids. I got rid of just a few things that were on here. donated a few things. This has been gone through not long ago. And as I can see right now, I still want to keep everything that I have in here. And so, yeah, that is going to be it. And a little closer look. Like I said, this is where I store a lot of my storage containers and some cooking things. Some appliances are up here. Extra crock pot, which I hardly ever use, but it does come in handy when I need an extra one. I've downsized in crock pots through the years. So that is what is in this closet. Well, folks, that's going to wrap this video up. Wasn't a very long video, but I just thought I'd bring you along with me. If you've been with me for any amount of time, I am one that if you don't use it in a year, then you need to get rid of it. Or if it's been a few years, if it's something that you haven't used in a few years, maybe it's time to get rid of it to make room for new stuff that comes in. And unless it's sentimental, then we all know there's different thoughts on that. But all right, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you folks like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.